Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 5 GMT. The Irish Consumer Confidence at 23:01 GMT. Japan's Leading Economic Index at 5 GMT. Japan's Coincident Index will be released at 5 GMT. Singapore's Industrial Production at 5 GMT. Korea's Consumer Sentiment Index at 21 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Shares of nuclear power companies closed higher after Trump signed executive orders seeking to jumpstart the industry. The orders direct the nation's independent Nuclear Regulatory Commission to cut down on regulations and fast-track new licenses for reactors and power plants. Oil prices gained on Friday as US buyers covered positions ahead of the three-day Memorial Day weekend, amid worries over the latest round of nuclear talks between American and Iranian negotiators. Nvidia will launch a new artificial intelligence chipset for China at a significantly lower price than its recently restricted H20 model, and plans to start mass production as early as June. The GPU is expected to be priced between $6,500 and $8,000.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen pair fell 1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair gained 1.2% in the last session, after a 1.3% intra-session dip. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.